Hi from WPPI in Las Vegas. I just picked up my badge and I'm ready to go stand in line to watch Annie Leibovitz share about her work. Let's go.
Please help me in welcoming to the WPPI stage, Annie Leibovitz.
I actually so happy. I love what I do. So and I love all parts of it. You know, I love seeing work. I love seeing the photojournalism take. I love seeing all the wedding work that's coming out. I'm impressed. I mean, it's like sports photography, that wedding photography.
Okay, I assume you saw Annie talk.
Yes.
What was your favorite part? What did you learn?
Honestly, just women inspiring other women. I think that is huge, and just looking at each other and what all of us have to offer. I mean, everybody has something different to offer and bring to the table, and just that women are important and we matter.
So in previous years at WPPI, I just did the social media videos for B&H, but this time I'm actually going to be an attendee and actually try out all the things that you can do here. So my main objectives are learn more about lighting, do some photo walks, get my gear cleaned, my Sony camera cleaned, and get as much merch as I can possibly find. So let's go check out the show floor. Good morning. I'm going to take one of these. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Have a good day. First piece of merch acquired. I got the bag. There you go. All right. Ooh. This is the most important bag of the show. Hey, she's one of my favorite photographers.
On the side where we have the most light.
That's awesome.
Transition, and you can see that white light is really kind of killing that color.
I've literally followed her on
Stronger because
Instagram
it's
for
on the
years.
side.
And then, fast forward all of these years, and my clients started to change in a good way. 25 years, I always ask myself, what's the next best thing for me, or what's the next exciting thing for me? And, a lot of it right now is clients that keep me on my toes, things that are stressful, which is crazy to say.
So you also just saw Josevia's talk. What did you learn? What was your favorite part?
Just him talking about his humble beginnings, how he started on the ranch, and how he also still has imposter syndrome, which is something that a lot of creators battle with. That part was relatable, let's put it that way.
Yeah, I know, it's so cute. Thank you so much. So this morning we went on this really cool sunrise photo walk out in the desert of Nevada, and it was really beautiful. It was really cool. We got to take photos. What was your favorite part about this morning?
The sunshine. I love to be outside early, just the heat of the sun on our backs, and it was very meditative for me, and to be around other photographers, just, chilling.
So WPPI in general, how has it been for you so far?
Oh, it's been a nice workout, walking around every day, and seeing old friends, and just, seeing what's new.
And did you do any of the shooting experiences? Did you get any cool photos from the shooting, bays?
Oh, yes, yeah, here at B&H. It was B&H, and it was, her name's Christina, and she handmade this art piece dress. I'd love to show you. I think I have it here.
Yeah, show me.
So.
Oh, whoa. That's so cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That's beautiful.
One.
Whoa. Is that something that you usually shoot?
I love art, and so it caught my eye because it was very, inspiring, and I wanted to see the details. I didn't shoot very much details, but I was just drawn to it because it was something different outside of, the weddings or standard portraits.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your WPPI.
Okay, this is your baby.
Oh my gosh. Looks so good.
Put this one on here so that way protect that always.
Thank you so much. Looks good. And I keep this? Oh, I got a bag. I got it clean, I got merged, so we're all good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
So one of the things I like so much about WPPI is that you actually get to meet and talk to people behind certain brands. So for example, Hannemüller, we actually just went to Germany and did a whole thing about how they make their paper. And now they're here at WPPI and you can see all of their cool paper and actually feel what it looks like. So I heard you did a photo walk. How was that?
The experience was great. I'm glad that I did it. It was a wonderful experience. They showed you tricks, and it's great to learn from the experts. So on this walk, she focused on lighting and not having to use strobes. So she showed us your palm technique. You just move your palm and you see where the light hits, and that's how you determine where that light falls on the face. The crowd that I had was a nice crowd, a smaller crowd. So she was able to actually speak to you directly and kind of give you the tips that you needed to improve.
All right, so that's a wrap on WPPI 2026, and I honestly enjoyed it so much. It was so cool to meet so many talented people and learn from experts and just top-level people in their field. And I honestly cannot wait for next year, but for now, I'm gonna go enjoy the Las Vegas sunshine. See you next year.